Okay guys, welcome to this fixed video. I made a big error in the last video due to a feature that was added in Laravel 4.2 and I wasn't aware of it. And that feature has to do with the remember me. Now, as of Laravel 4.1 point something something, they've added a hash to make the remember so the remembering of your user data more secure. And I did not know that. So what we are going to do to fix that is go to app/database migrations and the create users table file and just add it in here. Table, and I think it's a string with a remember token. Yes. So that's what we want to do there. And then what we want to do is go to your folder here, inside your document root, or your project root, sorry, and open up the command window. Let me size that down, and then type PHP artisan migrate reset, and then you want to do PHP artisan migrate, and that has updated that. Another thing I forgot to implement is the logout button, which we are going to do right now. And how we're going to do it is, if you give me 1 second. 1 sec, guys. Let me make sure I do this correct. Okay. And again, I forgot something else. You want to go to, if I just make this bigger, to your models and then the user model. Let me just close out of this because I don't need it. And yep, that's correct. We want to add some few functions here. Public function get remember token, and we want to return this remember token. We want to set a remember token, so public function set remember token, and we want to set this remember token to equal to remember token passed in, and the last is public function get remember token name, and this will return remember token. Now that's done, you can close out of that, and inside the user controller for the logging out we are going to add one method, public function get logout, and this is really simple. We just want to set auth logout and return a redirect. Well, let's do to the home page, so route home. Then we want to go to the routes file, and well, this is going to be our first route where they have to be logged in. So routes group, and then the array with a before auth and the callback function like so. So instead of them having to be guests, they have to be logged in to get any of these routes. And we want to do route get /user/logout array, excuse me, uses user controller at get logout, and let me just size this down. Get logout, and make sure to close that off. And this is as get logout, and remove that semicolon here, add it there. Yep, that looks good. So close out of this, close out of that, then go to the views folder, close there, user, no, not user, layouts master, and in this if statement over here, we are just going to add else, which means they're logged in, and we want to get logout with logout. So let's see if that works. Refresh the page. I want to register again because now the user is deleted since we rolled back the database. So password, register that. I've registered, now log in. I want to remember, so awesome. Now let's see, is there an extra thing here? Resources, cookies, localhost. Yeah, see, the remember token is now set. Awesome. And now we can also log out, and as you can see, that logs us out. And that remember token should now be gone as well. Yep. Now, once you logged in to your database, or not logged database, to your application, and click remember me, inside the database, that just loads up. In here, as you can see, a token is set so it can identify the user. And of course, this is also very secure because it is pretty difficult to guess one of these tokens. However, if they manage to do so, they will be able to log in as another user. But that's advanced security, which we'll not go into. And it's also very difficult to do, so that probably won't happen very fast. So yeah, that was this quick fix video. I'm sorry that this happened, but you know, this is also because of the update to Laravel 4.2, and I'm still, or my other projects are still in Laravel 4, so that's the reason for that. So thanks for watching, and see you next video.